This is Remy playing with the kitty cat's toys. Kyra, go sit with her.
Sebastian. There's Sebastian. Look, look.
Hi, kitty.
Oh, she's got my toy. Yeah.
Where'd she go?
Yeah.
Oh, go get her, Remy.
She's ready.
Kyra.
Kyra's got munchy food for her. Let it go. Kyra, what do we call it? Catfishing, right? She won't let go.
You-
Oh, got it.
And girls are so pretty.
Kyra, does this tickle? Watch Remy's face. Whoop, whoop. Don't fall back.
Don't
fall back.
let her fall backwards.
Yeah. Not in the mouth. No, no, no.
Hey.
No, no, no. Oh. Oh. Yeah, I see. Oh, oh.
I want to go swimming.
I think we will a little later, hon, just because we just did and we're going to eat.
She says, give
I
it
need to
back,
eat.
give it back.
Huh?